For the past several quick courses, we've been talking about employability skills. This time we continue along those lines with a focus specifically on workplace skills. There are 6 workplace skills we'll examine in total. In this video, let's take a look at planning and organizing, problem solving, and decision making. Planning and organizing is the workplace skill we'll discuss first. When we know how to plan and prioritize our work, we're more likely to get the job done effectively and in a timely manner. Sometimes we might find that several projects are competing for our attention at the same time. So learning how to determine the importance of each responsibility and weighing it accordingly is extremely helpful. Budgeting our time properly is vital because some of our assignments will take only an hour or so, while others might take several days. Planning and organizing is also knowing what to do when unexpected developments take place that get our projects off track, so that we can take swift, corrective action. The second workplace skill we're going to examine is problem solving. As we tackle our job on a daily basis, we're always solving problems, be they minor issues or problems that have more far-reaching effects. We must know how to pinpoint and define problems so that we're able to communicate our concerns to the right people at the right times. It's also imperative that we think and behave in a way that generates solutions. Supervisors place great value on employees who are results-driven and consider ways to improve processes. Finally today, let's take a look at the skill of decision-making. Coming up with ideas is one thing, but making good decisions gives you an edge. Identifying and prioritizing key issues, anticipating the consequences of our decisions, involving the appropriate people in the process, and having a backup plan are all part of competent decision-making. In our next quick course, we'll review 3 more workplace skills. Can't wait to see you then. And that's your quick course.